Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. It's Sophia. Thank you for stopping by my channel and watching my video. I hope you're having a great day as always. And for today's video, I haven't been doing a lot of haul videos or crafty haul shares, but I have been shopping a little again, and I thought I would share a couple things that I received recently. So I did place an order on AliExpress, and I picked up these. I always love these for Halloween. They're so cute. They're like little jingle bells, but these are shaped like black cats, and they're metal. So cute. Last year I picked up the ghost-shaped ones, and then I just placed one order of these. It comes with 5, but they're so cute. I may order another set. And then I did order a couple of dies on Amazon. This one here is from ZF Partisan, or ZF Party on Amazon. They are ZF Partisan on Instagram, and KLJUYP, I think, on AliExpress. But I've been wanting to order a strawberry-shaped little 3D box, or like treat container, and I saw Bona post this one. So I was enabled to go ahead and just pick that one up, and I did cut a couple out using the Sweet Story and put them together, so they're a really good size. Love the size on these, and I was really happy that I picked it up finally. I've been wanting it for a while. And here's another one. So cute. So these are ready just to add some little treats or goodies and pop in some Happy Mail. And then this one I've been wanting for a while too. It's the chocolate bar, and it comes with a little wrapper and the sentiment that says "I love chocolate." So I know Armin, Happy Mail Queen, she did a project and showed how to make a little box for this as well. So I'm gonna have to go back and look at that video and make that. But I've been wanting this one for a while, so I finally got that, and that's from KS Craft. And then this one, guys, I forgot all about it. This one took months and months to get here. I had kind of given up on it, and I received it today, so I was really happy. It's a paintbrush set. It comes with 3 different sizes, and then the bristles that you can cut out in different colors. And I've just seen some really cute cards using these paintbrush dies, so I was happy. It finally came in, even though it took forever. And then I placed an order with KS Craft on Ali, and I just had to get this little vintage-looking cat mug. So cute. Let me know if you want me to put these together and share, but you can definitely go on their website and see this all put together. It's so cute. You can make a little shaker for the body, and it comes with a little ruffle for the neck, and it just looks like a vintage cat mug. So cute. So I was happy to get that. And then I love their word dies, so I had to get the Halloween ones. And this one says Fright, Treats, Witch, and Ghost. And it comes with the shadow layer and the word to cut those out. Also from KS Craft. And then this one, I'll link the seller down below, but this is another little mug die set, and I did think it was going to be bigger, but I still think it's a cute size for like embellishment. So this makes a little Santa mug. So you've got his little beard, mustache, the handle for the cup, and the little Santa face, and then just some more little accessory pieces, marshmallows. So it's really cute all put together. So there's that one. And then from the same seller, I picked up this one too. Again, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but still cute. So this one's a little deer. So cute, with a little scarf and whipped cream and the little face there. So I'm going to have fun putting those together. And that's it for the dies and on the line things that I received or purchased. And I did want to do a quick little small business kind of share. I've been subbed to Sarah Bargo Company for a couple months, I think since February of this year. And she's got 2 like mini stamp sets that she does monthly, and it's a monthly subscription. So I did sign up, I think, in February, and she has faith-based stamps, and then also just like some crafty scrapbooking geared ones. So I signed up only for the faith-based ones, and she does include this little card with some of the packages, which has some tips on how to take care of the stamps, but that's the company. And I just really like, she has an Instagram page with really pretty examples of how to use her stamps, and they always come in this pink packaging with this little thank you there. Super cute. And like I said, I've been subscribed since February, so I have a lot of the sets, and I have not used them, guys. I've just kind of been collecting them, but she always sends them in an envelope and kind of like a mini kit, so they're so much fun to receive. This one has like little confetti in there, and a couple of pieces of ribbon, and a die-cut butterfly, a little tag or flag. And then this one here says, "So begins this wonderful adventure." It looks like it's stamped on some notebook paper. And then we've got some bling, paper clip, and some paper. And then here's the stamp. So this is one of the faith stamps. I believe this is the one for this month, for August, if I'm not mistaken. So this one says evidence label, and it says God's love, verse number, evidence of, answered prayer, and then this little stamp where I guess you can stamp it and just fill this in on one of your layouts or projects. So really cute. And I'm going to go through hopefully quickly with some of the other sets, and I don't know even which month these are, but they have been, since February, like I said. So this is another cute little set, some more confetti thrown in there, and this one came with a doily, some ribbon, yarn actually, pink yarn. This one stamps, it says "You are beautiful" on a tag, a white tag. We've got a little balloon, dimensional balloon, and these pattern papers, and then here's the stamp. Oh, and this one also came with this polka dot tool, a little piece of that, and a paper clip, or a clothespin, sorry. So this one is Lovely and True, and I love the fonts she uses, so pretty. Whatever is lovely and true, think of such things, and that's Philippians 4:3. Trust in Him. God is still writing my story. So I just really love these, and actually I have a personal goal to actually start using these beautiful little sets and just take some time, for myself and create, not for a design team, but just something I've been wanting to do. So this one comes with some trim with sequins. Here's the stamp on this one. It says "I Won't Be Shaken" is the title on this one, and I think she does have some on her site for a one-time purchase, or add it, or you can add to your monthly order if they haven't sold out and things. But this one's really cute. "Be strong and courageous. I won't be shaken." And this one has a little lemon, a fruit slice, and this says "Joy comes in the morning," Psalm 35. So just love these. And look at this kit, you guys. Comes with little tags, some die-cut leaves in a bright glittery green, some hearts, a little fruit, popsicle and dessert, more ribbon here with the watermelon. So cute. So they're all like coordinated for you to just make a quick little something. Little heart paper clip, and then these are the pattern papers that came with this one. And I hope you don't mind. There's quite a lot to go through, so I was thinking of doing just a separate video, but this one's so cute. It came in a vellum envelope with another heart clip there. This really pretty pink trim, some doilies, this looks like cotton thread, and a little glittery heart, colorful. Here is a wax seal that says love in pink, a tag, the pattern papers, and some silver rickrack, and then this stamp, in her heart. She treasured up all these things in her heart. Luke 2:19, I love you, Lord, guard your heart. And this was for the month of February, with a little heart-shaped string there. So cute. These are perfect for cards too. This next one came with this really pretty napkin in this set. And this one's just really colorful. Orange tassel, some fibers. And this one, it looks like a little blingy fruit. Sticker, this pattern paper. This one, it's embossed. And a really pretty, like, bluish green. This tag that says happy. And this one is masterpiece. It says creative soul. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. This really pretty butterfly with flowers. Come what may, we are God's masterpiece. Ephesians 2:10. So there's that one. And this next one, I have just maybe 3 more to go, guys, if you're still watching. This one I thought was so cute. There's some little stickers there. But this one, I love this trim that she sent. It's so super soft. So like the lightest pink and just fluffy, super soft. Here's the stamp. This is my story. Favorite songs, hymns, and some little music notes. A little bird. Then sings my soul. And then this one says, oh, sing to the Lord a new song, for he has done wonderful things. Psalm 98:1. So there's that. A doily, some more little tassel, yarn, a mini envelope with a little card inside. Oh, this embossed. Some of these I open and then since I haven't been making anything, I forget. But how pretty is this embossing? Really pretty. Embossing, and this is a little fabric strip, so cute, to make like a little ruffled fabric strip, a tag, and then these pattern papers to go with this one, and then a doily. And let me see, try to get through the last 2, guys. Oh no, this is a card from my friend that got thrown in the mix. So one more. So this is a Happy Easter napkin. So this was a set for April, right? Really pretty yellow gingham ribbon with a paper clip. And then for this set, we've got some bling, some really soft, pretty, this is a piece of fabric, and it reminds me of like the baby blankets, little puffy circles. And here are the pattern papers, a little blingy tulip, and we've got a little flag here, so pretty with a butterfly, love the colors, some more beautiful yarn, a little cupcake liner, and then this stamp set for Easter. It says Easter, he is risen, Palm Sunday, Alleluia, everyday blessings, and then the cross and a little label here. So just really cute. You can make some Easter cards with this, and I will put those back together, and then I am going to start using these, making something, because they're just so pretty. And that was my intention, you know, that's why I subscribed, because I thought it would be, you know, something faith-based that I could do every month just for me. And here I am, just like looking, oohing and eyeing over the kit and then not doing anything with it. But so these are the kits. I hope you liked my share, and if you like what you see, it is a small business and it's Sarah Bargo Company. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video today. Hope you like what you saw. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.